In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust slippage in Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Phantom Wallet, and then at the very bottom middle, you can see that swap button. So you want to tap that button, and then in the top right, you can see those settings, that setting looking button. You want to click on that. And then from here, if you want to actually adjust your slippage, the first setting will be called slippage, and it's currently on auto. So if it's on auto and you want to adjust it, simply turn the auto off, and then you can set if you want it to be 0.5%, 1%, 2%, or you can even do custom if you want to. So you can just type in custom, and as you can see, it's gonna say your transaction may be front run and result in an unfavorable trade. And yeah, you must know what you're doing. Of course, here don't just set a random slippage. So pretty much that's it. Okay, you can put it in auto if you want it to be convenient, but of course, if you're expert this and you want to actually adjust it, just turn that off and then put in your own slippage. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.